Hello, good morning students. So yesterday we have completed the Nernst equation. Today we will start some definitions of conductance of electrolytic solution. First we are talking about the resistance. What is the resistance? It is defined as the hindrance provided by a conductor in the passage of current. Means is we need a current here. One conductor we have taken. In that conductor the current is passing. Okay. Every substance offers resistance to the flow of electricity. Each and every substance having a resistance to flow of electricity to a large extent or a small extent. Means every conductor needs electricity to run. Okay. In this also it needs electricity. It needs a current. Okay. For current it needs electricity. Current may be of small or may be of large. A substance which offers greater resistance will have less electricity. Those substances which having a more resistance, they having a less electricity and vice versa. Here electrical resistance are of any object resistance we have taken which is directly proportional to its length and inversely proportional to its cross section area. This is the area. Like this is a pen, think this is a conductor. What the area it's covered, this area. Okay, from here full circle. What the area is covered, that is coming is inversely proportional and directly proportional to the length. Okay, so here we are saying R is equals to L upon A. So this is said to be the resistivity. Okay, this is why we have put it here equal sign. When we are putting an equal sign here, directly proportion is there. When we are leaving this sign, we put some constant value. The constant here is resistivity. Okay, now we have to find out what is the meaning of the resistivity now. So it is defined as a resistance offered by the substance of 1 meter length with area of cross section equal to 1 meter square. So resistance is equals to RA upon L. Okay, means is this how much length with the area it cover. Okay, that is a resistivity. Resistivity unit is ohm, that is this one resistivity. Ohm, A means centimeter square and L means centimeter. So centimeter, 1 we cross the 1, then 1 is left. So here it's come as ohm centimeter or ohm. Ohm we can write like this also. Centimeter or ohm meter in SI unit. Please learn this thing in SI unit. We are saying is ohm in SI unit. Okay. Now this is a changing value. You want to change in meters. We can change in meter. Okay. Now next is what is the meaning of the conductance. So conductance which current flow through a conductor is called conductor. Means current is flowing in this. Current is flowing in a conductor. Fully current is flowing, that was in a large extent or in a small extent, that is said to be the conductance. It is the inverse of resistance. Resistance is this one. Means it is the inverse of this resistance. Inversely proportional. So here we can say G is equals to 1 upon R. Why it is 1 upon R? Because it is inversely proportional to resistance. When inversely sign is there, R always coming on the downside. 1 upon R we have taken this one. 1 upon rho we have taken this one. Okay. Into 1 upon L upon A. L upon A means length upon area. So how we are writing? We are writing like 1A rho L. Writing 1 upon R as G. 1 upon R. We have taken this 1 upon R is taken as G. Here we have put it G. And 1 upon rho we have taken as kappa. This is called as kappa. K. And we the equation forms as and A upon L we are writing as it is. Now the SI unit is formed as this. G is Siemens. It is written as like this also or mho also we can write SI units. Now next is conductivity. What is the meaning of the conductivity? The inverse of resistivity is called the conductivity. So here resistivity we have read na. So resistivity, what inverse of resistivity is the conductivity. Okay. So in this one what will form? According to the cross section we are also taking here area and length we are taking. G is equals to kappa, conductivity G, rho, G is the sign. Kappa is equals to 1 upon P means 1 upon resistivity. Resistivity why? Because it is the inverse of the resistivity. Unit will come here like this. And this is the SI unit, Siemens centimeter inverse. Now next is the magnitude of conduction depend on the nature of the material. It also depends on the nature of temperature and pressure at the measurement are made. These are some definition. The definition you can write it in your copies. Okay, these things you can write it in your copy. Thank you students and have a nice day. Rest we will do afterwards.